Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're going to show you how to change Facebook email address. So first of all, here on your mobile phone, tap on your profile picture right there at the top right hand corner. And here basically, you just need to tap on the gear icon, which is the settings at the top right of your screen. Now here, you just need to go here on the account center. So see more in account center and then click or tap on this personal details. So from here, you will find your contact info, and then here in contact info, add new contact and tap on add email. And here basically, as you can see here, adding that email will replace your current email in your Facebook account. So if you add an email right here, it will change your Facebook email address. Now let's go on our laptop or on our computer. So basically, open your Facebook on your browser and then just have to click on the profile picture right there at the top right hand corner of your screen, and then click on settings and privacy, and then click on this settings. Now here on your settings, go to the side menu option and go to account center, and you just have to click on the see more in account center. Now here basically you will find all your profiles, so just need to click on your personal details right from here and then click on contact info. And from here, you just need to click on add new contact and add email. And here, if you add your email, basically you just need to choose accounts for this email. Accounts you choose to add the email will use to help you log in and receive notifications from us. So it will change your email address on your Facebook. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.